Well, hello, my lovely sixth grade students. It is Miss Hillman here, of course, here to bring you the next lesson from a new location. That's right, I am here on the floor of my parents' house. Yep, nice new floor. All right, with that being stated, here we go. Finding mean, median, and mode. Hopefully you had a chance to watch the second part of the video, and you can see that indeed this is going to be even easier than finding mean. All right, our essential question for our notes is going to be, how do you find mean, median, mode, and range for the set of data? Now, range wasn't covered in the video, but it's so easy, even a caveman can do it. So, it doesn't need to be in the video. Let's start with median. Median, as you saw before in the video, is simply the middle number. That's it. You're just looking for the number that's smack dab in the middle. We have two simple steps we can use to help us get to that middle number. The first step would be to order your numbers from least to greatest. You could go from greatest to least, but I'm going to do it each time from least to greatest, so smallest to big. After you order your numbers, then you're going to go about eliminating numbers one at a time, moving from smallest to the biggest, back and forth, till you indeed find that number in the middle. So, first example, go ahead and pause the video so you can write it down, because clearly I already did the writing, and then rejoin me. Here we go. We're going to find the median of 6, 12, 20, 15, and 12. So that's our set of numbers. So I'm going to start by writing those out. I said 6, I meant 16. So we have 16, 12, 20, 15, and 12. So we're finding the median, the middle number. First step would be to order them. So I see I have some 12s here, so that's my smallest number, 12. 12, those two are marked off. Next, smallest number would be 15, followed by 16, and then 20. So I have my first step done where I've ordered my numbers. Next step is simply just to cross them off till we find the middle number. So small, eliminated, large, eliminated, small, large, till we find that number in the middle. So our median here is 15. Voila, it is that simple. Now, sometimes, you're going to want to note this, sometimes there is no one middle number. Sometimes we have two numbers that are left in the middle after we cross off small, big, small, big. And as you will see, if there are two numbers in the middle, then all you do to find the median is basically find their mean. So you're going to add them together, then divide. So let's take this example. We're going to find the median of 42, 38, 56, 48, 43, and 43. So again, I'm going to start by just writing my numbers out. I have 42, then there was 38, 56, 48, 43, and 43. I want to put them in order from least to greatest. So starting with my smallest number, I see I have a 38 here, so that's my smallest number. Followed by, looks like 42. I'm going to check these off so I don't repeat them. 43. Then I have 43 again. Followed by 48. And then 56. So I had, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers to start, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, perfect, ordered from least to greatest. So now that they're ordered, we just do step 2, cross off, big, small, big, small. So small, big, small, big. As you can see, I'm left with two numbers in the middle. So when you have two numbers in the middle, actually this one's easy. You can just see that one number is 43, but our steps 4, if there are two numbers in the middle, you just take them, you add them together, so it'd be 43 plus 43 to give me 86, and then you divide by 2, and that would, of course, get me back to 43. So in this case, the median is 43. Now we got lucky with this one because it was easy to see, oh, it's just 43. However, that won't always happen. So hopefully the next one will be a little more challenging. All right, turning the page and continuing this good work we're doing. All right, now we're going to move to mode. So that's how we find median. We order them, and then we cross off big, small, or small, big, whichever one is your choice, just till you get to the middle number. For mode, it's even easier. You're looking for the value that occurs the most. That's it. What number do you see the most? All right, so we're going to find the mode for 16, 12, 20, 15, and 12. So back to the original set of numbers. We have 16, 12, 20, 15, and 12. As you can see, 12 appears twice, so 12 would be your mode. So 12 is the mode. It's that simple, I know. Let's try it with the next set. Our next set of numbers are 42, 38, 56, 48, 43, 42, and 43. Now, I see that I have 42 appearing twice, as well as 43 appearing twice. Good thing, hopefully you wrote down the star, you can have more than one mode. You can have more than one mode. So the mode here is 42 and 43 because both of them appear the same number of times in our set. All right, that's it for mode, and on to our number 3, our range. Range is simply the difference between the highest and the lowest values. And notice, when you're talking difference, you mean we're subtracting. That's what it means. Difference means find the answer to a subtraction problem. So indeed, that's all we're doing. So for our first one, find the range of, we're going to look at the numbers 42, 38, 56, 48, 43, and 43. These are my set. These are the numbers in my set. I'm looking for the smallest number I have, which is 38. The largest number I have, which is 56, and I find their difference. So I'm simply doing 56 minus 38. That's going to get me the range. And 56 minus 38, we're going to have to borrow or regroup. That becomes 16, 8, and 1. So my range is the 18. That's the distance from my smallest number to my largest number. And let's try it again with our next set of numbers. So we're going to find the range for 16, 12, 20, 15, and 12. So again, you're just going to find your smallest number. You're going to deduct it, so take it away from your largest number. So in this case, it would be 20 minus 12 for a range of 8. So my range in this set of data is 8. It is that simple. So to find median, mode, and range, all you have to do is remember that median means middle, mode means the number you're going to see the most, so it occurs the most, and then range is the difference between your largest and your smallest number. All right, we're going to do 3 practice problems. I highly suggest that you write it down, pause the video, solve it yourself, and then check to see if you got it right. All right, to our first one. We're going to find the mean, median, correction, not the mean. We're going to find the median, mode, and the range for the following sets of data. And my phone is blowing up, but that's okay because this is more important. Here we go. We have 8, 3, 12, 5, 2, 9, and 3. Those are the numbers in my set. So I'm going to start with median first. To find my median, I know I need to do the first step, which is to order my numbers. So I see 2. Next up would be 3. and I have 2 of those. Then the next smallest number would be 5, followed by, it looks like 9, oh, nope, 8, then 9, then 12. So my original set had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. I didn't leave any off while I ordered them from least to greatest. And now I'm just going to cross them off, you know, in pairs of small, big, small, big, small, big. Look for the one in the middle. That would be 5. That's my median. Next, I'm going to look for the mode. So which number did I see the most? Going back up here, I can see, hey, 3 appears twice. So 3 is the number that occurs the most. So 3 is my mode. And now I need my range. And to find range, I take my biggest number, which is 12, subtract. So find the difference between that and 2. 12 minus 2 is 10, so my range is 10. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, let's try the next one. Again, pause it, try it yourself, then come and check. All right. Our set of numbers here include 85, 75, 93, 82, 73, and 78. All right, again, I want to start with my median. I'm going to start with my median here. So that means I need to list my numbers in order. I'm going to go from least to greatest. So the smallest number I see is in the 70s, and that would be 73. Followed by 75. My next smallest number, 78. Then I am in the 80s now with 82. Followed by 85. And then my 93. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers ordered. So I didn't lose any. Excellent. And now from here, I'm looking to cross off. Small, big, so small, big, there's my first one, small, big, and look at that. I have 2 now in the middle. So now I get to use that third and final step when I have a tiebreaker here. So I'm looking for the number that's in the middle between those 2, exactly in the middle. So we have a formula for that. I'm going to take 82, add that to 78. 82 plus 78, so 10, carry the 1, 16. And now I cut that in half, so divide by 2, because I'm finding the mean, so you add, you divide. And I get 80. So the number that's halfway between 78 and 82 indeed is 80. So my median is 80. Next, looking for my mode. Now as I go back here, do I see any numbers that are repeating? And that would be a no. So there is no mode here. And that can happen. Sometimes you have one mode, sometimes you have no mode, sometimes you have a few. In this case, we have no mode. And now my range, looking for that. Range is the difference between the biggest and the smallest. So my biggest number would have been 93. Smallest number, 73. Their difference is 20. So the distance between my smallest and largest number would be 20. Done with that one. And now our final one. So again, pause it, do it yourself, then come back and check. So I'm working with the numbers 21, 25, 20, 28, and 26. Running out of space here, so I'm going to put my median here. Let's find that median. All right, looking for the middle number, so let's order. Smallest number is 20. Next 21, followed by 25, 26, and 28. So now that they're ordered, I can cross them off. Small, big, smack dab in the middle would be 25. So my median is 25. Now to my mode. Do I see any numbers repeated? No, unfortunately, so no mode. Now I can find my range. So largest number, 28, minus my smallest one, 20, range of 8. All right, and that is how we find median, mode, and range.